In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get the newest working KSign certificate for iOS, allowing you to sideload and install any IPA file without a computer or Revokes. This method works on all iOS versions, including the latest one, and the setup process is super simple. So the first thing that you guys have to do is go to the developer's official website. I will leave a link in the description down below. And what we first have to do is scroll down and click on download the DNS profile, and then you'll see here that it is trying to download a configuration profile. Click allow, and now you're going to go into settings and install it. So in your settings app, go to general, scroll all the way down until you see VPN and device management, and also make sure that if you guys have any other DNS config profiles that you do delete those before using this. So I'll quickly go and delete the CF DNS config profile. Anyways, click on the downloaded profile here, click on install, enter in your passcode, click on install, click on install. And now that you guys are done, you guys can go back into Safari. And now that you guys are in Safari, scroll all the way down until you see KSign here. So just click on KSign here, and then you guys will see a check mark next to the one that's working right now. As of this video, the checkmarked one is working, but it is entirely possible that the one that is checkmarked may not work. And sometimes even these other ones here, like for example, Commission on Elections, would work instead of the checkmarked one. So as of recording this video, the checkmarked one does work. So just click on install here, and then it'll say open this page in iTunes. Click on open, and then it'll say raw.github-user-content.com would like to install KSign. Click install, and now you guys can go to your home screen here, and you guys will see that it will start to install. However, if we click on the actual KSign, it'll say untrusted enterprise developer. So what we have to do is go back into settings, and in settings, go to VPN and device management, and then click on the enterprise app, and then click on trust. But if you guys do click on trust here, it will prompt a restart, so I'll be back. And now once you guys have restarted your device, you guys can just open up KSign, and you guys may get an error, so just ignore these errors. Trust me, it doesn't really mean anything. And also, unlike before where you needed to get the certificates and import it in, with the KSign right now, the certificates are already imported here. So if I go to certificates here, you guys can see here that it is already valid here. So now what we have to do is simply just sideload our app. You're going to go into library. You guys are going to click on the plus icon here, click on import from files. And once you guys have located your file, just click on any of the IPAs here. The IPA that I am sideloading is Old OS. And if you guys want to know how to get this IPA, I will leave the video in the top right. Anyways, you guys are going to click on open here, and then you guys will see the loading bar on the top, and now it'll say it has been downloaded. So now if we just click on this here, we can just click on sign and install. You guys are gonna scroll down, and then over here, just make sure that if you guys want to add anything, for example, you guys can modify the app, add tweaks, do whatever you want. But for now, I'm just showing a basic installation of the app. So just click on start signing, and then it'll say .backloop dev would like to install Old OS. Click install. And now we can just go back to our home screen and wait for Old OS to install. And as you guys can see, Old OS has successfully been installed. The app works just as intended, and there are no revokes because of the anti-revoke DNS. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.